Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back your own class organized by School of School Malkapur. Today we'll see some hot question. Hot questions are very easy questions. In that some logics is important. That logic we had to find out today. What is that? How many triangles are in this figure? So let's see. In this figure, how many triangles? We'll draw the first figure. Okay. So this is big triangle that already we seen. This is second triangle, third triangle, fourth, and this fifth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that out big triangle which is 5. As per my counting, there is 5 triangle. If there is more triangle, you can contact me and tell me the correct answer. Okay, question number 2. On a paper, you can draw a square and triangle together without lifting the pencil. See, on a paper, you need to draw it. See, I am not lifting the pen. I draw the square and see the triangle. Again, horizontally I will draw the square also and triangle also. Okay. One. There are 2 triangles and 1 square. Understood how to do it? This activity. Everyone understand? See. Okay. Now fun time. Complete this and mark a symmetrical shape. So like with the help of scale, you need to draw it. See, like this. Here is 2 slightly. So till this. No. Here. Then 1 down. Then 1 in. Then 2 down. Then 1 down. Slide up. Then 1 slide. 2 down. Then 1 half. Then like this. Okay, so in this way you can, with the pencil you can do it and prepare the symmetrical part. Now next is that mental math question. Can you make squares using 5 matchsticks? Can you make square using 5 sticks? Yes. We prepared now, like this. No, we can't make square. For that we need only 4 matchsticks. 1 matchstick, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 sticks are required. Sorry, not 5. What is the least number of matchsticks do you need to make rectangle? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 6. Okay. Which of the following has no vertex? Triangle. Triangle there is vertex. Yes. Rectangle also vertex. Square is also vertex. Circle no. So write circle. Dash side of rectangle are equal in length. Dash sides of rectangle are equal in opposite. Opposite sides of rectangles are in equal length. A cylinder has dash curve edges. Cylinder has 2 curve edges. Okay, top and bottom. A cuboid has dash edges. Cuboid has dash edges. Cuboid has dash edges. How many edges cuboid have? Edges means what? Where the 2 flat surface meet. Yes or no? Edges. For example, this is Tiffin. So this surface and this surface where it meet, this is called as edge. This edge. This is edge. Edge. Right? So that is 12 edges. So like that 6 example I given answers. You try to complete 7 to 15 and tomorrow I will tell you the answer. This is for your homework. Okay, all the best. Stay on step, and tomorrow we'll see that math lab activity. For that we need a grid paper. Okay, read this and keep it material ready. All the best. Stay on, stay safe. Bye. And one more thing I want to give you homework, as it is learn the table. Okay, till 25 and write. Till this third standard over, we have to learn table. Target is till 30. I will take the anytime surprise test for table. Okay, all the best. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.